Hello, this is Vani from Viva Sew and Style. Welcome to yet another episode of Friday Sews. Today's episode is about Simplicity 8874. This dress is from 2020. It is one of my most favorite and proudest dresses that I have ever sewn. I made it in view C, which is the full maxi length, but I made it with sleeves of view B. As you can see, these fun little ties. I got this fabric from Amazon. Stacy Robbins did a fabric haul video and she showed some beautiful fabrics she got from Amazon from a vendor called Texco Inc. And I have bought fabric from them several times and I've always been very satisfied. I look for the clearance and bargain deals, and this fabric was one of those. I believe it was 3 yards for about $11 and some change. It's some kind of a crepe knit. It's a very soft and comfortable to wear. So coming back to this dress, it has only, I believe, 4 main pattern pieces: bodice, front, back, skirt and sleeve. And then we have these ties and neckband. If I recall, because I made this dress last year, I believe those are all the pieces. I was very new to sewing. It had only been maybe about 6-7 months, and I saw a tutorial from Anita by Design. She did a great job explaining, because otherwise I was afraid to figure out these ties. I thought it's some very complicated thing, but turns out they are very simple to do. So I watched her video and I got this fabric and I made this dress. It took me, I don't know, maybe 2-3 hours and came out beautiful. I mean, when I put it on, my heart just skipped a beat and I was twirling around, and this became my birthday dress. Originally, I had planned it as a Sew Maxi for Mother's Day. Somebody had started a YouTube tag and a challenge, so I made this dress, but then I found out that that challenge was no longer happening. But anyway, I still got myself this gorgeous dress. So I have nothing but good things to say about it. I want to make it more times, several more times. And it's going to be one of my TNT patterns. Okay, so now let me do a little fashion show for you guys and show you how it looks. So some final comments about the dress. Very easy to sew, beautiful maxi length dress. Can also be made in shorter version, sleeveless version. There is a sew along available from the great Anita, from Anita by Design. And you can tell from looking at how I'm feeling in the dress. Fits great and it looks so fluid, beautiful. By choosing a different fabric can be made for a formal or semi-formal occasion. So simplicity patterns are on sale this weekend in Joann's, and I think you should be able to easily find it because the pattern is still in print and it's not one of the newer patterns because apparently Joann is not updating their collection now. So you should be able to buy it for $1.99 this weekend. Okay, if you have this pattern or you have made this pattern, please share your results with me. Let me know what you think about my dress. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Please come back and see me again. I would love to read your comments and enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great day. Bye bye.